Hi, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And today we're going to talk about, is the Getac K120 right for everyone? Is it a good laptop choice for everyone? And so to answer that question, I'm going to just kind of go through some of the things I like about it and what I don't like, and let you decide whether it's for you or not. I personally love the K120's ability on the screen, that it pops off like this and we can use it like a tablet. Another nice feature of being able to do this type of operation is you can swap this around like this, pop it back in, fold it down. Now I can walk around with the keyboard and the tablet and still use it like a tablet, which is nice if you're don't have access to lay the keyboard down to the side. Another nice feature about this laptop is the keyboard. You know how I am about keyboards. I really like this keyboard. It's backlit. If you take a look, the letters are nice, big, white. You can see them quite well. It's really nice. Another nice feature is the mouse pad is large with the two distinct mouse buttons on the bottom of it like this. I like how large it is. And compared to other hybrids in its class, this is the larger mouse pad version. But now let's talk about a couple things that may or may not be beneficial for you. One thing I don't like is the latch. The latch is kind of, I don't know if you can see that, but it's difficult. You got to push down and then push up. It's kind of a funky latch, I guess, is no better way of putting it. I don't like it. The other thing about this laptop that I don't like is how heavy it is. It's heavier than other laptops in its class, and so if you're walking around a lot, it does have a nice handle, but if you're walking around carrying this thing around a lot, yeah, you're going to get, it's formidable. You're going to get a little tired, even if you pop the tablet off, because the tablet itself carries both batteries. The bulk of this weight, if we look at this, is in the tablet. So yeah, the weight is definitely a part of that. I'll leave you this though. One thing I do like about this particular laptop is that the memory is upgradable, and in a tablet, that's a rare ability. So you can go up to 64 gigs of RAM on this tablet, because it does take DDR4. But is the Getac K120 for you? I'll leave that for you to decide. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys next week.